If you think you don't like Brussels sprouts, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a way that you can prepare Brussels sprouts so that everybody in your family is going to love them. I think they taste just like potato chips when you make them this way. But if you still don't like them after you've tried them this way, I'm going to also, at the end of the video, show you a way that you can get your skin the Brussels sprouts it needs to thrive. Stay tuned.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So what's the big deal about Brussels sprouts anyway? Did you know they're super great for your skin? Because all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in Brussels sprout keep your skin looking great. Your body needs some of the ingredients in Brussels sprouts to produce collagen, which keeps your skin looking healthy and smooth. So here's my greens. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut them in half, or if you have really big ones, you can cut them into fourths. Then I'm gonna pop those halves into a container and fill it with water and leave it sit for about 10 minutes. Then we'll drain off the water. And then once I've drained it off, guys, it's literally so easy. The only thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 3 more ingredients. My favorite oil, I'm using olive oil. And then salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna use kosher salt, which gives it just a little bit of extra punch and crispiness. Put the lid on and shake that up, and then pop it in the air fryer. After 15 minutes in the air fryer, it is ready to go. They should be super crispy and totally yummy. After trying Brussels sprouts this way, they're still not your jam. You can still give your skin the Brussels sprouts you need with the Farm RX line by Avon. Naturally nourishing ingredients like Brussels sprouts and broccoli sprouts can help your skin appear healthier, softer, and brighter. I'm using the Farm RX cleansing balm that gently melts away all of my makeup for the day, and then I'll follow up with my Farm RX skincare routine before bed and in the mornings. Speaking of bedtime, did you know that the way you sleep can determine what sort of wrinkles you have on your face? Take my sleep quiz down below. It's a personality quiz, and it'll show you what the way you sleep says about your personality, as well as what it might be doing to your skin. You'll find the link to the sleep quiz down in the description box below. And if you're looking for an Avon representative near you, or if you haven't seen an Avon catalog recently, check out the link down in the description box below and sign up to find out how you can get an Avon catalog by mail. My name is Jennifer Francis, and I am a nationally ranked #1 leader and top seller with Avon and the founder of TimelessBeautyLife.com. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and connect with me over on social media. You'll find the links to connect with me down in the description box below. Are you an Avon representative looking for help with your Avon business? You should join Timeless Beauty Lessons, our amazing Facebook group just for Avon representatives. It's led by some of the top leaders in the entire nation. You'll find the link to join down in the description box below. Have you thought about becoming an Avon representative? Well, now is the time to join Avon. For more information, find the link down in the description box below, or if you're ready to join right now, click that link below, fill in your personal information, and decide which option is best for you, and then complete your sign up. Did you find this video helpful? Don't forget to subscribe because I put out new videos for network marketers just like you every single week. And please share it with someone you know that it will help. Thank you so much for watching. Here are a couple of other videos you might like. See you next week.